With an uptick in crime in sections of the island, the opposition leader is calling for the Prime Minister to immediately declare more zones of special operations ZOSOs. Dr. Peter Phillips was making his contribution to the budget debate in the House of Representatives this afternoon. Now TVJ's Andrea Chisholm was there and now joins us live. Andrea?
Yes, Archie, it was a wide-ranging presentation talking about the economy, health, rural development and a host of other important issues. But 2 days ago on Tuesday, we released the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll showing that 76% of the 1,000 people interviewed believe that ZOSO is a meaningful crime-fighting tool. And this evening, the opposition leader is echoing that sentiment.
Prime Minister, expand the ZOSOs immediately.
Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips on Thursday, even as he urged the government to roll out a more effective crime plan. And if required, he's also suggesting changes to the Jamaica Defense Force Act to give more powers to soldiers. Dr. Phillips asserted that the upsurge in crime in St. James is due to this.
My information is that the JDF presence in the parish of St. James is nearly 50% lower than it was during the state of emergency, 46% lower to be precise, and that the presence of the JCF is 40% lower.
The National Security Minister rose on a point of order.
Nothing has changed in St. James since the 31st of January. The current position is the divisional strength of St. James is 791. Operationally normally about 650. That remains in place. There are 246 men moved to St. James. During the SOE, they remain in place in St. James. The only change that has happened is that 20 men used to be moved from Area 2, which includes Portland, St. Mary, and parts of St. Anne. That ceased on the 1st of January before the SOE.
Turning to the $14 billion tax cuts announced by the finance minister, Dr. Phillips reiterated that not all Jamaicans will benefit.
There is a better way. Reduce the GCT and take something off the gas as well. Remove the SC.
There were also concerns about what's happening at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, over the past 2 years.
More than 100 buses at JUTC have been taken out of service due to lack of maintenance. Fare revenues have fallen by over $1 billion in the period between 2016 and 2018.
And on the Petrojam used car and other scandals plaguing the Holness administration,
I ask myself all the while, why is only the scandal bag that them ban? Them should ban the whole bag of scandal.